Huawei's NVIDIA killer chip leaked. Game over. Imagine a world where NVIDIA, the undisputed emperor of AI chips, gets dethroned in a single shocking moment. Huawei just dropped a technological bombshell that has executives in Silicon Valley scrambling for answers. A leaked chip that could potentially end NVIDIA's long-standing dominance overnight. Is this truly game over for the GPU titan that's been riding high on AI supremacy? Stay tuned because what I'm about to reveal will completely transform how you view the future of artificial intelligence. Leaks are spreading like wildfire, speculation is reaching fever pitch, and the entire tech industry is holding its collective breath. Huawei's so-called NVIDIA killer chip, the Ascend 910 Shanxi, has emerged from the shadows, and according to insiders, it's packing computational firepower that could completely rewrite the rules of advanced AI processing. But can a company hampered by years of sanctions really topple a tech giant that's become almost synonymous with artificial intelligence? Hit that subscribe button right now and let's dive headfirst into this technological earthquake together. Hey tech family, welcome back to the channel where we dissect the most disruptive moves in the technology universe. Today we're unpacking Huawei's leaked AI processor that has industry experts absolutely stunned. Could this truly mark the beginning of the end for NVIDIA's iron grip on AI acceleration? If you're as excited about this development as I am, smash that like button, share this with your tech-savvy friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Because trust me, what's coming next in this AI chip war will reshape the entire technology landscape. Now, let's break down the leak that's sending shockwaves through boardrooms from California to Taiwan. Here's the backdrop. NVIDIA has completely dominated the AI chip market for years, virtually unchallenged. Their flagship H100 processor, an absolute beast of silicon engineering, currently powers everything from ChatGPT's brain to the most advanced autonomous vehicle systems in development. Jensen Huang's company has enjoyed almost monopolistic control over the high-performance computing that makes modern AI possible. But seemingly out of nowhere, credible whispers began circulating about Huawei's next-generation Ascend 910C. This isn't just another incremental improvement or market follower. According to multiple sources who've spoken with the Wall Street Journal, Huawei has been quietly telling potential clients that this chip is directly comparable to NVIDIA's H100 in raw performance. Some leaks even suggest it might outperform NVIDIA's flagship in specific AI workloads while consuming significantly less power, a critical advantage in data centers where electricity costs can exceed the hardware price over a chip's lifetime. Here's where the story gets absolutely fascinating. Huawei has been operating under the crushing weight of US sanctions, cut off from advanced manufacturing technologies, yet somehow engineering their way around these obstacles in near total secrecy. Then suddenly, boom, leaked benchmarks appear, suggesting they've created something that could make NVIDIA executives break out in cold sweats. We're potentially talking about higher computational throughput, superior energy efficiency, and perhaps most threatening to NVIDIA, a price point that could substantially undercut the competition in the world's largest AI market. If this leaked information is even half accurate, we're witnessing a pivotal moment in computing history. But before we dive deeper into these game-changing implications, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button right now. We're about to unpack the technical specifications, the geopolitical stakes, and what this means for the future of AI globally. And if you're finding this analysis valuable, share it with your network. Let's get this conversation spreading faster than these chip leaks. So what exactly is the Ascend 910C bringing to the table? Based on the leaked information, and I'm emphasizing these are leaks because Huawei hasn't officially confirmed all details yet, we're looking at an AI computing powerhouse engineered specifically for next-generation machine learning workloads. Industry insiders suggest it's been purpose-built to challenge NVIDIA's 800 directly, which is an extraordinary technological achievement considering Huawei's constrained access to cutting-edge manufacturing processes. The H100 is nothing short of revolutionary. 80 billion transistors, phenomenal memory bandwidth, and performance that commands premium pricing throughout the industry. Yet somehow Huawei has reportedly engineered a competitive alternative, while navigating through a maze of supply chain restrictions that were specifically designed to prevent exactly this type of advancement. The numbers being whispered about are stunning. Some sources claim the 929C delivers superior performance per watt metrics compared to NVIDIA's flagship, a critical advantage for data centers where electricity consumption often exceeds hardware costs over a chip's operational lifetime. Others suggest it's been specially optimized for China's growing domestic AI ecosystem, giving Huawei a significant home field advantage in what's rapidly becoming the world's largest AI deployment market. The pricing strategy could be equally disruptive. If Huawei positions the 910C aggressively below NVIDIA's premium pricing tiers, it could force a market-wide recalibration that threatens the extraordinary profit margins that have driven NVIDIA's astronomical stock performance. This isn't just about silicon competition, it's about technological sovereignty and the future of AI development worldwide. AI is reshaping everything: healthcare breakthroughs, autonomous transportation, industrial automation, and even national security applications. The company that controls the computational foundation of AI gains extraordinary influence over its evolution. NVIDIA has enjoyed nearly unchallenged dominance, building not just hardware but an entire ecosystem around their CUDA platform that creates significant switching costs for developers. Huawei faces the monumental challenge of not just matching performance but convincing AI researchers and engineers to adapt their workflows to a new architecture. The sanctions question looms large over everything. Huawei remains cut off from the most advanced chip manufacturing processes at TSMC, which produces NVIDIA's state-of-the-art H100 chips. Huawei has reportedly had to rely on less advanced fabrication techniques, making their potential achievement even more remarkable if confirmed. Some analysts believe they've engineered brilliant workarounds. Others remain deeply skeptical until independent benchmarks emerge. So where does this leave us? If the Ascend 910C delivers on even 80% of what these leaks suggest, we're entering a new phase of competition in AI acceleration. NVIDIA will undoubtedly respond aggressively, potentially through pricing adjustments or accelerating their next-generation roadmap. For consumers and AI developers worldwide, this competition could drive faster innovation and more affordable access to computational resources, a win regardless of which company ultimately claims market leadership. Before you go, what do you think happens next in this high-stakes technological showdown? Drop your predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech analysis, and check out my related videos on AI chip development. This is Tech Revolution signing off. Catch on you in the next one.